I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the wiper blades here on your 2010 Infiniti. It's a G37x, all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. First, what you want to do is get your blades. It uses a 26 and a 16. The 26 is going to go on the driver's side. That's 26 inch. So first you squeeze that little tab, pull down, and it pops right out. Then you take your 26 inch on the driver's side, put it in that slot and pull it up, and you'll hear it pop into place. And then once that's done, you push your little safety mechanism down and you're done. That's it. So let's go over on the passenger side. It's the same way. We're going to take this 16 inch Duralax, and I'm going to put the link in the description if you want to purchase any of these wipers, and they're real good wipers. So let's do this on the passenger side. We're going to bring it up and we're going to squeeze that little tab in together. Let me zoom in so you can see. We're going to squeeze that little tab in and pull it up. And this is just a locking mechanism. That's all it is. And then you want to pull down until it pops out. You hear it click out. And I'm doing this with one hand, so you can get it done really easy with two hands. Once it pops out, you take your new one, line it up. And when you line it up in place, you just pull it up and you're going to hear it snap. Snap. Just listen to this. There you go. It snapped into place. And put it down and snap that little safety mechanism into place. You're all done. That's how easy it is. If this video helps, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.